A director is a person who manages the affairs of a company. The directors together form the board of directors, which takes important decisions. They act as agents on behalf of company and trustees for company's assets. 2 powers of directors. The powers of directors are mainly given by the Companies Act and the Articles of Association. These powers are used to run the company efficiently. General powers. Directors can exercise all powers of the company except those which must be exercised by shareholders, like changing memorandum, etc. Power to manage business. They take decisions regarding daily operations, policies, and future planning of the company. Power to issue shares and debentures. Directors can issue shares or debentures to raise capital for the company. Power to borrow money. They can borrow money for business purposes within limits. Power to invest funds. Directors decide where to invest company money for better returns. Power to make calls on shares. They can demand unpaid amount from shareholders on partly paid shares. Power to appoint key personnel. They appoint managers, managing director, and other officers. Power to approve financial statements. They prepare and approve financial statements before presenting to shareholders. Power to declare interim dividend. They can declare interim dividend between 2 AGMs. Power to enter into contracts. Directors can enter into contracts on behalf of the company. 3. Duties of directors. Directors have legal and moral responsibilities. These duties ensure honesty and proper management. Duty to act in good faith. Directors must act honestly in the best interest of the company. Duty of care and skill. They must use reasonable care, skill, and diligence while making decisions. Duty to follow law and articles. They must act according to the Companies Act and Companies Articles. Duty to avoid conflict of interest. Directors should not use their position for personal benefit. Duty not to make secret profits. They must not earn hidden profits from company transactions. Duty to disclose interest. If a director has interest in any contract, he must disclose it. Duty to attend meetings. They must regularly attend board meetings and participate actively. Duty to maintain accounts and records. They must ensure proper accounting and record keeping. Duty to protect company assets. Directors must safeguard company property and use it properly. Duty towards stakeholders. They should consider interests of employees, shareholders, and society. 4. Simple case study. Case: misuse of power by director. ABC Limited had a director, Mr. X, who used company funds for his personal business without informing others. What happened? Other directors discovered the misuse. Mr. X had violated his duty of good faith and duty to avoid conflict of interest. The company took legal action against him. He was removed and asked to return the money. Simple understanding. Directors have powers, but they must use them honestly. Misuse of power leads to punishment. 5. Conclusion. Directors play a very important role in managing a company. Their powers help them run the business effectively, while their duties ensure they act responsibly and honestly. A balance between powers and duties is necessary for the success and trust of a company.